We got really lost last night. We lost the trail and just kept riding. It started to get dark and then we ended up following this towpath alongside the canal, and we camped out at about 11 o'clock when we saw a couple of other riders had pitched their tent here, so we camped next to them. It's 5:30. I need some coffee. Just when I got all the ticks off myself, then we leave the camping spot and this, so now we need to fix it. Oh yeah, there it is. Okay. Maybe I need to push it back up.
Ooh, that looks nasty.
That's a piece of steel there.
Wonder where that piece of steel came from.
Then I'll insert clip of the steel mill here. We fixed the tyre, on we go.
We didn't stop until 11 o'clock last night, and we came upon our camping spot, and there were 2 other cycle tourers there from Belgium, and it was a good morale boost. Just these little people interactions really help when things are getting a bit hard on the road.
Waiting outside the supermarket. Looks like a construction site. It was really hard to tell if it was even open. Traveling without the aid of a GPS. Yesterday we woke up here and rode along the river through this big city, continued on and camped around about here. Right now we're in this town and there's a campsite we're trying to reach here in the forest. Turns out France is a very big country. The Paris is all the way down here. So we've got a while to go yet.
Eclair on discount, chocolate and cherry. My favorite thing, 3-minute macaroni. If you're a cycle tourer, you'll get why I'm so stoked by that. And pesto in plastic, less heavy. It was a good shot.
Success!
Wait.
It's all hills today. We're heading towards a campsite. We need a rest and we really need a shower. Really looking forward to this one. Downhill. Oh, so good. It's like 30 degrees already and I'm filthy.
We've made it to the campsite. It's so hot today. It's time for a cold one to celebrate.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh, yes.
Oh, it's perfect.
We've got some important business to attend to.
We've had a great rest here. We're leaving the campsite and we're heading to Guise today. There's a medieval fair going on in the village this weekend, so hopefully we can catch that. It's 12:30. The sweat's gonna start pouring.
So we're now back on the towpath. This connects the river that we were on, the Samba, to the river Guise. This canal is famous. Robert Louis Stevenson, who wrote Treasure Island, he did a canoe trip along this river and wrote a book about it called An Inland Journey. And now we are here. Oh, Mont Saint Michel. There's no snakes in here. We lost the path. I think there's a road coming up, but we just kept on the towpath and now it's all like gone to hell.
Very hot.
Should we join the road? Could cut off some K's.
Yeah.
And the unknown. I mean, that path looks a bit mowing up ahead, but it's not got any surface on it. It's just grass.
It's hard on the bikes.
There's like hardly anyone staying here. And then the pitches are really big. They're actually huge. We've got all this to ourselves. We're here on our rest day in Guise at Chateau Fort de Guise for the medieval fair, and I'm really excited because this bloke over here is getting ready to fire the cannon.
Allez, on y va!
A nice rest day here in Guise. Enjoyed some time off the bikes. It's gotten cold again. The wind is blowing. Tomorrow we'll continue along on Eurovelo 3 alongside the river. Hopefully it won't be too hot for riding. Got to pick up some supplies in the morning. But for now, it's time to have a nap. We'll see you in the morning.